how we do it. Okay, so this is a famous Soursop leaf for a Soursop leaf tea. We're simply making use of nature's gifts to promote good health.
In the quiet corners of nature, the Soursop tree offers a gift of wellness, its leaves. Soursop leaf tea is a traditional remedy that is gaining modern recognition for its incredible benefits. Packed with antioxidants, this tea supports immune health, fights inflammation and chronic diseases, and may even help in calming the mind and body. Each leaf carries centuries of wisdom from herbal traditions. The process is simple, but the results are profound. Soursop leaf tea is not just a drink, it's a connection to the healing power of nature. Take a moment to embrace this gentle brew and let nature nurture you. Wellness sometimes is as simple as a sip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos about living a healthy lifestyle.